Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Harley-Davidson Triglide Ultra Classic with 43,551 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, 14-inch handlebars, Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, windshield trim, braided lines and cables, upper fairing vent trim, an upper fairing LED light kit, an aftermarket horn, mid-frame heat shields, rear fender bibs, an emergency brake kit, rear bumper, and many other aftermarket accessories that you can view on our website. The Triglide offers the same power and comfort as its Electroglide siblings, but on the stability of 3 wheels, helping it appeal to a wider range of riders. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Triglide puts 121 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 27.1-inch seat height and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.